Hey guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Today's video is going to be my BoxyCharm unboxing, boom, 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 for the month of September. Guys, I'm excited about this month's BoxyCharm. For one, I already opened it, so, because me and my coworker both get BoxyCharm, so mine comes to the job, so she wants to see what I got, and I want to see what I got too, so I already opened it, so I'm really excited to show you what's in here this month. And BoxyCharm is only $21 a month, so if you're not signed up, definitely sign up. I'll leave the information below. You get like over $100 worth of stuff for $21. Like, where they do that at BoxyCharm, that's where they do that at. So this is this month's box. Little sneak peek. But the theme is All Access is the name of this month's box. And my favorite thing, I'm not gonna tell y'all what's my favorite, my least favorite. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab. So the first thing in here is the Moda Pro. This is by Royal and Lang Nickel. This is a 5-piece deluxe eye set. Y'all know I love brushes. Y'all know I'm in love with brushes. And this 5-piece set normally goes for $27.95. So guys, this 5-piece set pays for your box in itself. If I can get it open, because I'm trying to show y'all something. Let me show you something, okay? Ooh, this is the brushes. Soft. So that's what they look like. And there are 5 of them. And again, this paid for the box in itself. It comes with a shade brush, a crease brush, a detail brush, a smudge brush, and a line brush. I can't have too many eye brushes, so this little set right here for me was definitely a win. The next thing that came in here, and I thought this was pretty cool, this is from Laura Geller. This normally goes for $26. Y'all know I love me an illuminator and a brightener highlighter, and this one is so pretty. It reminds me of Heat Wave from Estee Lauder. It reminds me of it a lot. I'm just going to swatch it on my hand. Oh, look how pretty that is. The light is not giving it the justice it deserves. Yeah, there it goes. You can kind of see it better that way. But it is absolutely beautiful, guys. Look at it. Look at her. She is a beauty. So I was so happy to get this, and again, it paid for the box in itself, so it's definitely worth it. The next thing in here is an eye pencil, I think. It's from Hank and Henry. It's a black eyeliner, and it says it's their latest addition to their Slick with It eyeline product line. Our eyeliner is vegan, so this is a vegan eyeliner, and I believe it is a liquid liner. Now this normally goes for $20, and what I like about it, it says it's good for people with hooded eyelids, and I got hood eyes, y'all. I got hooded eyelids, so I'm definitely going to be cracking this open, and I'm going to be using it this month because it said it's perfect for people with hooded eyelids, and that's all I needed to hear because that's what I got. So I definitely will be using this ASAP. The next thing in here that I'm so excited to use, and I'm going to use it tonight, this is from Dr. Brandt. This normally goes for $52. It looks just like this, the box. It's their Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. So it's a sleeping mask that hydrates, can I read it all? Okay, it's a hydrating recovery sleeping mask that balances skin's naturally occurring flora and locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness and soothes the signs of irritation. So this looks pretty cool, and you know his line is extremely expensive. So to get this for $52, that is an amazing deal. And I mean, you can't beat that. $52, and I only paid $21 for an entire box. Like, you're nuts if you don't have this box. I'm just saying, because the products keep getting better time after time after time. The products just keep getting better. Final item is from Violet Voss. It's the Essentials Eyeshadow Palette. Look at the packaging. Ah, super cute. And this normally goes for $29. When I tell you this palette is beautiful, and I actually can use every shade in it, and it comes with a mirror. Y'all, how pretty is this? Again, it goes for $29. The box is how much? $21. I mean, BoxyCharm is lit. Like, they are really giving it to us, letting us know that we need them, okay? And we do, because whoo, these colors is really pretty. That's everything I got in this month's BoxyCharm. It's lit. It's lit. That's all I gotta say. If you're sleeping on BoxyCharm, wake up. Like, that's all I gotta say. I got all these items. All these items. Over $100-something worth of items. Like, let me just try to estimate. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 120. That's about $150 worth of stuff, y'all, for $21. So definitely check out BoxyCharm. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.